Hello everyone from the fast and delicious kitchen. Today I will share an easy cake recipe that draws attention with its stylish appearance and legendary flavor. If you love chocolate, this recipe is for you. By the way, all ingredients should be at room temperature. Let's move on to the recipe. I recommend that you watch this recipe carefully as it consists of several stages. Ingredients for the cake: a packet of baking powder, a pinch of salt, a packet of vanilla, 45 grams of cocoa powder, 150 grams of flour, 200 grams of sugar, 150 milliliters of milk, 150 milliliters of sunflower oil, and 3 eggs. Put the eggs, sugar, salt, and vanilla sugar in a large bowl and beat for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the milk and oil and beat for another 30 seconds. Then add the flour, baking powder, and cocoa powder. Beat again until homogeneous. If you want the cake to be smooth, you need to sift the flour. By the way, where do you watch my channel? From which countries? I would love it if you write in the comments. Yes, the cake batter is ready. If you want, preheat your oven to 175 degrees without fan. And pour half of the cake batter onto a non-stick baking sheet. Make sure that the cake batter is evenly distributed on the tray. Bake in a 175-degree oven for 10 minutes. While the cake is baking, let's start making the hazelnut filling. The ingredients needed for this are 250 milliliters of milk, a packet of vanilla sugar, 15 grams of cocoa powder, 60 grams of hazelnut crunches, 25 grams of starch, 70 grams of brown sugar, 70 grams of dark chocolate. First of all, add the milk, sugar, starch, cocoa, and vanilla to a saucepan and stir over medium heat until it thickens. Yes, it has thickened now. Add the chocolate and stir. Then add the hazelnut crunches and mix until homogeneous. The hazelnut mixture is ready. Take the piping bag and add it evenly over the baked cake. With the help of a spatula, you can spread it evenly on all sides. Once you have spread it, add the other half of the cake batter to the tray. Bake again in the oven at 175 degrees for another 20 to 25 minutes. By the way, the cooking time of the cake will vary from oven to oven, so always check your cake. In my oven, the cake baked in 25 minutes. Yes, you can see that it baked very nicely. After letting the cake cool, turn it over and carefully remove the paper. For the top of the cake, we will prepare a nice sauce with 150 grams of milk chocolate, 100 milliliters of cream, and 20 grams of hazelnut crunches. To do this, first remove the cream from the stove before it boils. Add the chocolate and stir until it melts. Then add the hazelnut crunches to the mixture and mix until homogeneous. Spread the chocolate sauce evenly over the cake. Use a spatula to spread the chocolate sauce all over the cake. It really looks beautiful even this way. We will go on to the decoration stage. After the cake has rested for a couple of hours, we can serve it. For this, I divided it into 15 equal parts. You can increase or decrease the amount of the slices if you want. Don't be afraid, you will cut it really easily. For top of the cake, divide the Ferrero Rocher chocolate into 2 equal pieces and place them on the cake. It is really beautiful this way. By the way, don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe to support my channel to grow. Thank you in advance. Yes, bon appetit to those who will try it. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope to meet you in the next video. Have a good day.